Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add buy now button on Shopify product page. So first thing that you should do here is we just have to simply open our browser, and then you just have to go ahead and open our Shopify account. Okay, so right here you just have to simply click on the apps option, and then using the search bar at the very top, we'll then just have to search for this buy now. Okay, and then you would be able to see this application. So next, just simply click on this one, and as you can see right here, for the pricing, it is free. And for the highlights, we have this notes right here. And we have here the number of the ratings. Okay, next we just have to simply click on install, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be directed to this page. So the next thing that you should do here is to make sure that you have installed this application on your website. So right here, you can now create a buy button for a website or blog. So just click on create, and then here, what type of buy button would you like to create? So we have product buy button or collection buy button. So for this one, I'm going to select the product buy button, and then just have to select that specific product. So for this sample, I'm going to select this product and click on select after that. Okay, and then right here we can now customize the buy now button. And as you can see right here, we only have the add to cart option. And then right here, if we would like to change the product, so you just have to simply click on the change option. So now for the product variant, okay, so you just have to simply click on this one. We have here the all variants, we have this specific variant. So I'm just going to select the all variant for the product variant. Next is for the layout style. We have classic, basic, and then of course the full view. Okay, so for this one, I am going to select classic. Okay, and then after that, you will then just have to click on add the product to cart. So if we are to click on direct to checked out, as you can see, we have now the buy now button. So make sure to select the direct to checked out in order for you to appear the buy now option. Now for the button style, okay, so right here we have the button corners, so we can adjust the size of the pixels and of course the button width as well. And for the colors, for the background color, so if you would like to change this one, just click on this color right here, and then just have to drag the circle to choose your color. And for the button text color, if you would like to change this one, so you just have to do the same, but I'm just going to leave this one as it is. And for the typography, we have the button text right here. So if you'd like to change the font style for your text, so just have to select it right here. Okay, and then of course you can also change or adjust the size. Okay, so now that we are done with the button style, we can now proceed to the next step. So just click on next, this one at the top right, and here we are going to get our button live. Okay, so what we can do is to copy the code right here. So after copying the code, we'll then just have to exit this section. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to go to the product section. Okay, and then make sure to select the product that we choose earlier. So this is the product, so you just have to simply click on it. Then after that, you will then just have to click on this icon or the show HTML option, and then just have to press the enter key on your keyboard 2 times. And then here we just have to paste the code that we have copied. So just click and paste. Okay, and then after that, make sure to save this one before you exit this section. Okay, so let me just click on the save option at the top. Okay, And then let us try to preview this one if we can now see the buy now button for this product. Okay, so here I am going to check under the sales channels. So we have the buy button. So what you can do now is to click on the preview on online store. Okay, so you'd be redirected to another tab, and when you scroll down, you'll be able to see here now the buy now button. So when someone click on the buy now button, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so they have to type over here their contact, okay, and then their delivery country region, then their first name, last name, address, their postal code, city. Okay, we also have region, the shipping method, and then the payment method. And then after that, they will then just have to simply click on the pay with PayPal or any payment method that is available on your store. Okay, now for the next one. Okay, so there is another way where we can paste the code that we have copied. So all we have to do is to go back to our home page. Okay, so just click on the home page once again, and then go to the online store and then click on pages. Okay, and then right here, after clicking on the pages, you'd be able to see here all of your pages. But of course, for this one, I'm going to create a new page. So to create a new page, you just have to simply click on the add page at the top right. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, you just have to type out the title. So I'm just going to name this one as a sample page. Then after that, you will then just have to simply click on the show HTML icon. So this one right here. And then after that, just have to simply paste here the code that we have copied. Okay, so just click on this one and then click on paste. Okay, and then do not forget to save your changes. So just click on the save option at the top. This one, and then after that, let us now try to preview our edit. Okay, so then just have to simply click on the view page. So this one beside the duplicate. Then we'd be directed to this new tab right here. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see here another product. And then when someone click on the buy now button, they'd be able to see this page right here. So they have to type out right here their contact, the delivery address, then they have to choose the payment method. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.